seen the pickle jar. I was hoping to add some twang to my coffee. Hey man, you right?
He's not as nice as he seems. Jerry, no one is that nice.
Who?
MrBeast, but I see through his walls of deception and I smell his lies.
MrBeast.
Yeah,
You mean the guy who on a weekly basis gives away tens of thousands of dollars?
they've brainwashed you too.
Oh,
They've convinced you that MrBeast is this omnipotent,
omnipotent?
perfect
Perfect?
angle
I'm not even gonna bother with that one.
of just holiness.
When was the last time you slept?
I don't get that luxury. All this monster is out there while everyone regards him as a saint.
Okay, do you have any evidence surrounding this theory?
Fact!
Fact.
Okay, well, first of all, Mister.
Oh, that was it.
Yeah, what could be more obvious that MrBeast is a closeted racist?
Okay, Steve, buddy, I hear you. I really do, whether I'd like to or not. But would the term Mister, if anything at all, be not more considered sexist rather than racist? As Mister is just a term used to identify someone's gender and also classify them as a higher standing citizen.
But that's just what he wants you to think. Huh? You start to make sense of this whole thing? Huh?
No!
Fine, I'll explain it to you, dumbass. Alright. Mister is obviously a gender-based term, but women have won his challenges before. But ask yourself this. Has a black man ever won, or participated in, for that matter, one of MrBeast's challenges?
Yes, to both of those things. I'm pretty sure a black man even won his $1 million challenge.
But look, when you fist a serpent, like, when you look at it from a certain angle, like, from well, that's just one half of his name. What about the other half? Beast.
Okay, what are you pulling out of your ass this time? Yeah, this may as well be happening.
Hype beasts.
Steve, you can't just say things and hope they make sense.
That makes sense!
Okay, explain.
Fine. Hype beasts. Like in iDubbbz's video on Rice Gum?
What the f does iDubbbz have to do with this?
Rice Gum is a YouTuber notorious for being an asshole. And what is he associated with in this video? Hype beasts. Or as I like to call them, hype MrBeasts. Boom.
You are scraping the bottom of the barrel so hard I can see your fingers bleeding. You know what? I'm done.
Jerry, just one more. If you think this one's stupid, I'll never mention it again.
Okay, shoot. What is this next bit of groundbreaking evidence?
I have a lot of evidence on this MrBeastiality angle.
Sick.
MrBeast!